At Bauer's Intelligent Transportation, we put your safety first, and that's why we have implemented high standards when it comes to cleaning our vehicles. All our chauffeurs have their temperature taken before the start of their shift and are required to wear masks. Each of our professional chauffeurs are given a Go Box, which contains gloves, masks, wipes, and disinfectant spray to clean the high touchpoint areas between each trip as an added safety measure. We also use electrostatic sprayers and ozone generators to effectively disinfect our vehicles. When the chemical exits the electrostatic sprayer, it's given a positive electrical charge and the droplets then become attracted to all negative surfaces, covering the visible area, underside, and backside with the sanitizing agent. The ozone generators are used overnight and apply an electrical charge to the air that passes through it and breaks apart the oxygen molecule, which kills any viruses. We are implementing multiple disinfecting procedures daily so you can rest assured that you will be transported to your destination safely. We highly recommend that passengers adhere to social distancing while waiting for their vehicle. Each passenger is required to have their temperature taken before boarding, and if a passenger forgets their mask, one can be provided to them because masks are required to board the vehicles. Each vehicle is equipped with hand sanitizer, and passengers are instructed to board the vehicle from back to front to limit contact exposure. Here at Bauer's, your safety comes first. So thank you for placing your trust in Bauer's Intelligent Transportation.